so going into with the new Anastasia Soft Glam palette, I've already primed and set my eyelids with my Tarte concealer in a shade Light Medium Honey, and then I went ahead and set it with the shade called Tempera. It is also in the Modern Renaissance palette, so don't worry, it is in there too. But yeah, I went ahead and set that. And for the first shade I'm going to put in the crease, I'll be taking the shade called Burnt Orange, which is also as well in the Modern Renaissance palette too. So next shade I'll be taking in the crease, but a little bit more precise, is a shade right next to it called Sienna, and I'll be taking that more on a detailed crease brush. Well, I'll probably just take the same brush. This is the Morphe M441 brush. If you guys can hear like music or voice in the background, I apologize. This guy across the way just always be blasting his music, and every time when I complain, it's like it goes in one ear and out the other, and then my damn rental office does not do shit about it, and it's really pissing me off. But again, if you guys can hear, I really do apologize. Just please, please, please ignore that, please. I'm so sorry. So next shade I'll be taking for the outer V is the shade, well, the black shade right there, and I'll be applying that in my outer V, just a little bit, not too much. So I did a little bit too much on that eye, but hopefully I can go back and fix it. So last shade, and it's for the lid, I'll be going in with the shade Sultry. Just a beautiful like rose gold with like a little bit of sparkle, but I'll be applying that all over my lid. I may use glistening in the inner corner just so I can kind of brighten up a little bit more. This shade right here, glistening, right in the inner tear duct. See that? How it makes a difference? Let me go ahead and put the wing liner on along with my eyelashes, and I'll get back with you. The reason why I sometimes do it on and off camera is because I'm like focused and I'm crouched down in this mirror, and it doesn't look right for you guys to see what I'm doing. Because I still need like kind of like both hands to help me with. I'm still learning kind of on how to do it with one hand, but I'll go ahead and get right back to you guys when I have those on. Alright, so to go ahead and bronze up the face, I'll be taking my Anastasia contour kit, and this is in the shade light to medium, and I'll be taking these two colors right here. So for blush, I will be taking, here it is. The Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. And I was going to get the NARS blush in the shade Orgasm or the Tarte one the other day at Sephora. But I'm like, I'm not really in the mood to pay $24 on a little thing. I just wasn't in the mood, so I'm like, can't knock me for that. But this is only like what, $7-8 from Walmart. But I'll be taking this and applying that on the apples of my cheeks. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with my new setting spray. It is the MAC Prep and Prime spray. So while that's still kind of wet, I am going to get my highlighter out, and I'll be using again the Too Faced Blinded by the Light highlighter. Just a nice silver highlighter. Lower lash line, I'll be taking again Burnt Orange and Sienna, and just apply that on my lash line. And I'll be taking the Maybelline Great Lash and put that on my lower lashes. Alright, so lip gloss today. I am going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. I haven't used this one yet, but it's similar. It's a little bit darker than the London one, but I don't know where that one is at. But I'll be going ahead and using that on my lips. So that is it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm not sure what to call this makeup look. Probably a sultry, smoky eye. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I'll be having it down in the down bar. And if you want to see my gym vlogs that I am doing, I know it's kind of random from this video, but I will go ahead and leave a card up, I think it's this side, up in this area for you guys to check that out. But yeah, I will go ahead and see you guys in the next videos. Bye, you guys.